River otters are highly social and live in family groups called rafts. They are known for their loud vocalizations, which are mainly used for communication within their group. Otters can be territorial and may defend their territory from other otter groups. They have a playful side and engage in activities like sliding down riverbanks. Giant river otters primarily feed on fish and other aquatic prey. They are active mainly during dawn and dusk, which is their hunting time. Like many animals, they can be protective of their young and may show aggression if they feel threatened. Encounters with humans are usually rare as they tend to avoid people. Giant river otters play a crucial role in maintaining the health of river ecosystems by controlling prey populations.